Hey y'all, so I just got a new camera. I just bought the DJI Action 4. It came in yesterday and I'm gonna take it for a spin today. So I'm about to do my makeup, literally just to go to the store. And I also want to see if this will be good. This camera will be good inside, even for like get ready with me. But I'm gonna take y'all along on a nice trip. But yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup, and you can watch me do my makeup while I get ready. And then we're gonna take a trip. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, and then I'm gonna go to a local grocery store because I have things I need to get. It's Saturday, and your girl is hungry. Granted, going to the grocery store while hungry is a horrible idea, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So get ready with me and just watch. I'm probably gonna speed through this next part. So I am currently walking my dog. It's raining outside, so it's pretty cloudy. But I just wanted to see, what the lighting is like. But here's Kobe, my little baby. And as y'all can see, it is raining. But come on, Kobe. I just wanted to do that just to see how well things will show up. And I'm also filming vertically. Yeah, just trying to test that out, but we're gonna see what happens. And then I'm gonna come back when I go inside the store to start grocery shopping. So I am in my car. We'll see what things look like, I guess, once I upload this video. Yeah, I'm so sad it's raining outside. But it's fine. On to the store we go. Okay, I just finished shopping at Trader Joe's. Kind of went over my budget, but it was worth it. Like I know that I'm not gonna want to cook this upcoming week, so I love I love their pre-made meals and stuff. And I got some ice cream. I don't care if it's cold. I'm gonna eat some ice cream. But next stop is another grocery store to get some toiletries. BRB. All right, I made it back home. I did not film in that store. I didn't want to. It was too many people up in there. So I just tried to get in and out. But I'm gonna upload this and see what it looks like. And yeah, but thanks for coming along with me. I'm gonna probably make another video tomorrow. I hope it's not raining, but I think it is. But yes, I'm so excited that I bought this Action 4 by DJI. Great investment. If you want to get this camera, you've been thinking about it, I think you should get it now while it's on sale for $209. And they have like different options. They have like an essential combo, adventure, and all that. But I will provide the link below in the description for you to purchase it, just so you know which one. You can make sure you get it on sale. But yeah, keep watching my channel, like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I will catch you in the next video.